Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to create EPS. EPS stands for Enterprise Project Structure, and it consists of the division of your company, different departments, or the projects of your company at different sites. If you are not familiar with the theoretical aspects of project management, then please watch previous tutorials which are related to the theoretical points, and you can study all the theoretical aspects of project management. After that you will be able to create project on Primavera. So without wasting our time, we will go toward EPS, and for EPS I will go to Enterprise, and from Enterprise I will click on Enterprise Project Structure. After that we have options EPS ID and EPS name. So we will press add, and first of all we will enter the EPS. So our EPS is dairy farm. So I will first of all I will enter ID DF and 1. It means that our company have a project which is a construction and a complete setup of a dairy farm. So I have named it DF1, and here I will enter the complete name of this EPS, dairy farm. Now I will press add. So now we will assign the responsible manager. So here we have a project director, in our OBS organizational breakdown structure we will assign this responsibility to project director. So we have selected project director, and after that we will close this, and in further details we can enter EPS ID and status of EPS, and all the checked out by if there is a person senior than our project manager, so he can monitor this project, and we have to enter these details. We will close this EPS. So we have created our EPS, and next we can enter notebook, budget logs, spending plans, and budget summary, dates, funding, codes, defaults, resources, settings, and calculations. So these are the terms which will come later. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can receive notification related to our incoming videos. Thanks for watching.